Thank you, Mr. Nyati. Yes, we didn't invite Jan into the meeting, and we were hoping to make it a very quick overview and a short briefing. So, in line with the promise that we have made to bring everyone, to keep everyone informed. Now, the next question. Kati, I'm not reading your question again because you're repeating the question we've already asked, we've already responded to. Chris Yelland from EE Business Intelligence says Petro SA is blaming Eskom for lack of forward planning in its diesel procurement. Is this allegation valid? Debu Hokas says or wants to know, could France's Framatome supplies be ramped up to make up for the Westinghouse shortfall? He is from Public Interest South Africa. Here we've got Kyle again. How far is Eskom progressing with design and contracting a supplier for construction of the temporary exhaust stocks at Kusile for 1, 2, and the units 3? Have Eskom and the contractors at Kusile managed to secure and clean up the slurry built up inside the flues of Kusile, these 3 units, and is the structural integrity of the chimney now safeguarded? Thomas, before you come in, I'm going to ask Keith again to talk about the suppliers. We currently have 2 suppliers of nuclear fuel at Quebec. Framatome is not impacted by the decision between the governments of the United States and South Africa. Can Framatome ramp up the volumes they supply? Do we have any other potential supplier, by the way, outside of the 2? Thank you.
So we only have the 2 qualified nuclear fuel suppliers. To qualify a nuclear fuel supply for Koeberg is a very long process. It takes quite a few years to actually get the fuel qualified, because we first have to put lead test assemblies into the reactor, verify that it's operating correctly before we can actually authorize to put in a full core of a new supplier's fuel. So yes, as I said, we've got 2 qualified fuel suppliers. So in theory, we could use either supplier's fuel on either unit, but to change in now to put Framatome fuel into unit 1, because we only replace a third of the core with new fuel every outage, it would require a significant amount of studies still to be performed to verify that the mixed core, which is the Framatome and Westinghouse fuel combination, is safe and that we're good to operate for the cycle the way we plan to operate the cycle. So it can be done. There is work to be done for allowing us to do it. It's a lot simpler than bringing in a new fuel vendor. It can be done in a relatively short period of time, but we would prefer to sort out the issue and get the fuel from Westinghouse if we can. Thank you.
Thank you, Kate.